Hi, what I'll be testing today is a bain-marie from Royal Catering. A device great for buffets, great for restaurants, great for bistros, cafes and such. It's great as an additional piece of equipment on a section in the restaurant, in the kitchen. So what you would do, like let's say in an example, if you have an Italian restaurant serving a lot of pastas with tomato sauce, you want to keep it at hand at all times. And you want to keep it warm. This speeds up the whole process of serving up the meals. So because it's so compact, you just put it on a section, put some hot sauce in it, because just remember this is not for cooking, this is merely for keeping the dish at the right temperature. So you would put it on a section, put your Napoli sauce inside, and you have it on hand the whole time during service, so you can dish out a lot of pastas in a very quick time. So let me just go through some of the details. Well, as I said, it's a very compact package. Everything is made of stainless steel. Nice polish to the vessel for the dish itself. The capacity of the vessel is 3.8 liter with an operational capacity of 2.75 liters. So you shouldn't put it to the very top, because when it heats up it will expand and may go over the edges, and that's never really cool. So just remember 275 is the operational capacity. The way it works, as the name suggests, is like a bain-marie. So you put water inside. Let me show you where. That's the soup vessel or food vessel, whatever. And inside you'll have this bain-marie container with a marking just down below on how much water should be inside. And please just note, always just check the water level, that it's on the right level, because where the water is evaporated, of course the device will overheat and it will not properly heat the food container. It will not maintain the desired temperature. When it's overfilled, well, when you drop this container inside, it will push the water out and you end up with splashes everywhere. So that's not good too. So it fits around 1 liter. So let me just put the water in. My personal advice to you is, 1 second. That's about right there. My personal advice is always to put hot water already inside, because this shortens the time of heating up. And then again, when you're dropping something inside, you want to keep it at the right temperature. You need to make sure that the water inside is also at the right temperature. Because when it's cooler, well, it takes only a few minutes for it to heat up, but then again, you're dropping the actual temperature in your food container, which is not good, because it needs to be kept in the safe temperature, which is above 65 degrees. All right, that's where you regulate the temperature. You can regulate it between 30 and 110 degrees. Obviously, water doesn't go above 100 degrees, but if you want to heat up the water inside really quickly, you can put it on 110 and then just drop it to your desired temperature. This device is not designed to work constantly on 110 or the maximum temperature, all right? So this will cause the device to overheat because that's not the intended use. You end up using around 50 to 70 degrees usually. I already prepared some Mexican sauce in it, just to show you an example of how it works. I already preheated this to the right temperature. So what you do, you just drop it right there. There's an edge that keeps the container in the right position. It doesn't wobble too much. You set the temperature just like so. The heating indicator will indicate that the device is working. You will see this light flashing. That means the automated temperature control will shut the heating element on and off in order to maintain the desired temperature level. All right, as I said, a very versatile device, very useful in any gastronomical business for the matters. I can recommend to restaurants and bistros and such. But if you're looking for a bain-marie, please have a look at the website. There's a variety of these devices on offer with 2, 3 and 4 containers. So you will definitely find the constellation you need for your venue. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great because the standard is 24 months. And it will be sent to you in a really secure package with lots of packaging material in it for a safe trip to your place. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a look. I always advise to read the manual before you start the device, because there's a lot of information on how to prep it for its first use. That always extends the life of the product if you treat it right. So definitely have a look. And that's about it, what I have to say to the bain-marie. So if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.